Hello friends, welcome back to John and Mama's Yummy Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to prepare chicken 65 customized for the kids. So let's see the ingredients. I have taken 500 grams of chicken bite-sized. For marination, I am taking 2 tablespoons of maida or refined flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Corn flour would make the chicken 65 crispy. To this I am adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. If you want it to be spicy, you can add the spicy chili powder. I have taken 1 tablespoon of garam masala and turmeric powder. To this we will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and about 3 tablespoons of curd. Friends, the curd is going to make the chicken softer, so it's better to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd. If you want to add more, you can add more. The chicken gets marinated very well with curd, and at last some salt as per our taste. We will mix it well and combine it. We will give it a good mix. You can see the color is yellowish now. Slowly it is going to turn red. Our marination is ready. Now we will put the chicken pieces into this. I have taken boneless chicken. It's better to prepare this with boneless chicken. We'll mix it properly, coat it with the masalas, and then we're going to refrigerate this overnight. At last I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. We will again mix it well. Oil is going to help in better marination. Now we will keep this in the refrigerator. You can refrigerate it for 2 to 4 hours or keep it overnight. Now we're going to fry this in oil, deep fry. The oil is hot and I will fry this in 3 to 4 batches. Usually it takes around 8 to 12 minutes for the chicken to get cooked. And as soon as I'm putting the chicken pieces, the flame is high and I'm going to reduce it after 2 to 3 minutes. This helps in proper cooking without burning. The flame plays a very important role in cooking meat and chicken. I'm getting a very good aroma of the chicken. And as you can see, the color has changed, it has become dark. I have fried this for almost 6 minutes. Another 6 minutes it would be done. And yes, it is ready. We'll take it over in a plate and we'll keep this aside. I fried in 2 to 3 batches. Now in another pan, I'm taking some oil. Approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. We'll add some cumin seeds or jeera to this. I've taken 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. We will fry this till the garlic is properly cooked and the raw taste doesn't exist. Friends, the garlic is almost done. Now we'll be adding capsicum to this. I've taken 3 tablespoons of capsicum and some curry leaves. Usually in restaurants, they prepare this using green chilies, but I am customizing this for the kids. So we are adding only green capsicum so that it is less spicy. Add salt and pepper. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. We will fry this till the capsicum is cooked properly. And finally, I'm going to add the fried chicken to this. When the chicken is properly coated, it will give a very nice taste and the dish will be almost ready. So we are serving it in a plate. Enjoy this with your kids. Let us know how it was. And please subscribe and share this if you like it. Thanks for watching.